him, but the person dashes away. He tracks him on the skywalk, and the individual attacks him with a knife. The two of them start a fight, and Kelly ends up killing him by kicking him out of the window. The detective validates that the dead man was one of Campbell's thugs, and that all witnesses can confirm it was self-protection. Nevertheless, Kelly informs Prima that he will give a testimony. The detective tells Kelly that a police car is allocated to guard him. Hawkins goes to speak to Commissioner Hill regarding Emma's case. By this time she knows about his romance with Violet and rejects Hawkins' any assistance. In the meantime, Brett is chatting with Violet when Emma steps in. Sylvie tells Emma about how devoted her friendship with Violet is and wishes that Emma can discover someone alike. Stella worries how they are expected to get married with the bad guy still trying to find Kelly. He swears that the wedding is occurring at any cost. Another big comeback.